Hello guys, today I'm here to give you a review about one of the most trendy product nowadays, and which is most favorite for all the millennials out there is neckband or truly wireless Bluetooth headphone. Yeah, this is the one, and this product comes from one of our Indian company which is Bolt. This is a Delhi-based company, and they are selling multiple Fourier products on this particular segments, sounds, audio, and all. Okay, so I have also used one of their truly wireless product, that is True 5 the sports model, and that's a fantastically good product they have built in. That kind of models is not there, and for so many brands are not able to produce that. Okay, so I'll talk about this particular neckband, about its sound quality, about its call quality, about its build quality, design, and all its connectivity features. So let's start with the sound quality first. So if I have to talk about the sound quality, it's a very decent product, and it's a very you can say very loud and rich sound you can get, but it doesn't have AAC codec. So it's an ACBC codec through sound is getting converted. So you won't get that sound separations, but yes, if you put both the tips in your ears properly, you will get a passive isolations from the outside noise or outside sounds. So you will not be able to hear the outside noise what is happening. You'll be able to completely block, and the sound is supremely rich on this. Even I am recording this video through this mic only, so that you can get an understanding how the call quality would be. Okay, so if I have talked about the call quality, I have been using them for quite some times, and I used to take throughout the day calls, my official calls and all, conference calls. So call quality is decently perfect product, you can say. So mic is fitted here near to power and volume control down there. So call, there's no issues. Also other people, other side person can hear you properly. You can hear them properly. So there's no noise, no distortion at all. Okay, call is perfectly okay. I'll recommend this product for the calls. If I have to talk about the build quality, so build, this is plastic, and the rubber band has been given which fold, and it has a magnetic lock also. It locks and it get, if something is playing on, so that get automatically paused. Yeah, so it's another magnetic lock. It's a good thing the magnetic lock is there. Okay, so build quality is a decent product. And if I have to talk about the connectivity, it has a Bluetooth 5 support, and connectivity range is up to 10 meters, which is very good. And if I have to talk about one of the most hidden feature of this particular neckband, it has a dual device connectivity. Yeah, although company is not promoting this particular features because it's not a solid features, because they have not established this particular features in a solid way. And so if you can connect to device, but while you connecting the devices, it will give you some distortions and noises. Yeah, sometimes there's an connectivity issues also will be there, but it connects through mobiles. One mobile you can play the music, other mobile if you get a call, you can answer the calls, music will get paused. So that's best feature, you can say. Very rare few of the brands which gives us a double device connectivity. So overall performance is very good, and within the price range of 1000 to 1400 rupees, this particular product is available on Flipkart and their own Bold Win website. So being a big Indian brand, I will definitely recommend this product. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please like my video and subscribe my channel. So I give you more reviews towards technological products, and to travel and to blog videos I'll be sharing on. Thank you.